What's good, family? In this video, we're going to talk about a stock that everybody is sleeping on. But I promise, if you own this stock right here, it will explode your portfolio. It's a sleeper. It's not the Nvidias, it's not the Palantirs, it's not the new IPO, but consistently they have been outperforming the market. I'm going to give you some stats right quick. In 1 year, year to date, it's up 58%. In 1 year, meaning this time from last year, this time to this year, is up 76%. And in 5 years, this stock is up 312%. It's currently only $110. Now listen, before we get into this video, here's what I want you to do. I want you to like, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to get your pen and your pad, because what we're going to start doing now is unlocking the cheat code to wealth. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, man. My goal is to help you build wealth in the market better than anybody else. Let's get to it, y'all. The company we're going to talk about right now, watch this. And I'm just looking at some of the notes I have. I'm looking at the chart right now. I'm about to look at the profile for you, right? The company right here is really considered an invisible giant. That's right. It powers the future of tech, right? It understands how everything works. Watch this, watch this. This company is the backbone that makes the flashy companies even possible, y'all. Like, without this company, I always tell y'all to do what? Invest in the companies that make the big dogs shine, right? So I'm gonna use this example. We know Michael Jordan is cold-blooded, right? But what about the Scottie Pippins? You know what I'm saying? What about that sixth man off the bench that gives the starter a break? Like, these are the companies that quietly blow our portfolio out the water. They support the big dogs, right? But the thing about it is they don't get all of the shine, and that can actually be a good thing. So watch this. This company designs and manufactures connectors, sensors, and intercom systems that make it critical for all technology to talk to each other. These parts live inside your smartphone, your car, the airplane you travel, your Wi-Fi, the routers, even the satellites that's being used. Think about them as like a certain thing. I like to think about them as I don't want to say the brain, but think about like the nucleus, was the center part of the brain. They like the air traffic control. Hey, you go this way, you go that way, you go this way, you go that way. Nope, there's a congestion right here. That's the type of company that this is. Today, we'll talk about a company by the ticker symbol of APH. That's right, APH. Now, how does this company make money? Right, the company sell billions of dollars worth of parts each year to companies in the aerospace sector, automotive sector, automobile sector, medical device sector, data communication sector, and industrial machinery and defense. That's right. So they not missing, and they're actually growing. As we get into more technologies, companies like this, APH, will be the backbone of how these other companies flourish. Now, here's the beautiful thing about it. A lot of big investors really not in it. And listen to this. This diversification is only built in shop. Watch this. Because the components are so mission critical, and it's just in the company's bio and their proxy statement. Because the proxy statement is gonna tell us everything about the company. That's what I want to put y'all on, proxy statement. So watch this. Because their components are so mission critical, watch this, companies actually depend on them. Why? Because without them, the other parts don't work. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. This actually gives them something that I really love, and it's called pricing power. Remember, once a company can depend on a company, they know for a fact they need this company. Let's dig a little deeper. Before we go a little deeper, I want to make sure that you like this video, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you send this out, y'all. And the reason why I'm saying is because this is how our videos actually go more further, gets in the algorithm. This is how we help more people make money from this channel, y'all. Let's go, man. I'm gonna dig back into it. Now, this actually gives the company a competitive advantage. One of the favorite things that I love about a stock is when it has pricing power. Yes, I like when they don't have no debt. Not to mention, this company has little to low debt at all, right? Not to mention that their ROIC is out of the charts right here. As I'm looking at the charts, right? Return on invested capital at a 14.89%. Anything over 10 is good. That means for every dollar they put out as invested, they're getting 14.89% back. That is insane. Let's talk about that. For every $1 they put out, they get 14.8. Oh my God, that is just, I'm gonna tell y'all how powerful that is, right? So for me, pricing power is so important because it allows a company to increase their rates, and because they're so dominant, right? So because not every company does this, they get to say, hey, we're increasing. Now, what I love about this, any great company can increase their prices by 4% every year. But a company like this can even increase their prices by like 9, 10% because companies know that they need them. And what gives them a more advantage, not only do they have pricing power, also they have this competitive advantage where it's called being sticky, where it's called a switching mode, where if you replace them, it will almost shut your business down to try to find another company that can do almost what they do. That's the switching mode. So not only do they have pricing power, they also have the switching mode. But let's go a little further. They are the second largest connector manufacturer in the world. They have a global manufacturing footprint and can deliver at volumes for even the biggest clientele. So that's the second thing they have, right? So let's put this in perspective. They are the second largest connector of manufacturer of connectors, meaning, again, they are the thing that connects everything. They are the reason why everything plugs into each other. Again, we talking TVs, cell phones, your electric vehicles. We talking industrial. We talking medical devices. We talking about a company that is truly at the center of the AI race. Ticker symbol APH. Again, let's go over this one more time. Year to date, they are 58%. 1 year, 76%. 5 years, 312%. So here's what I want you to understand. They are not slowing down. They're only getting better. This company, if owned, in the next 5 years could be up about 700%. Easy, because technology is steady speeding up. So watch this. The more people need Nvidia chips, the more people need smartphones. Let me just ask you a question. Are people going to stop using smartphones anytime today or tomorrow? Probably not. More people are going to use them. As AI starts to ramp up, people are going to start doing more. Guess who's going to be called? APH. Guess what happens? Watch this. Revenues go up. Sales go up. Net income goes up. Dividends get increased. What does that mean? Stock price consistently goes up. What does that mean? Your initial investment keeps on doubling. This is the type of companies that we want to own in our portfolio. And that's the thing I want to help us with. Let's go a little further, right? The company has a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream, a healthy balance sheet, and consistent cash flow. Watch this though. They have increased their net income by 37% over the last year. This is not a fluke. This is 100% a company that we need to own. It is 100% a company that we need to pay attention to. It is 100% a company we need to, once this company pulls back, I say once it pulls back under 110, once it gets to about 105 or 100, we need to be buying, y'all. Once it gets under 105, or 105, we need to be buying. 100, we need to buy more. 95, we need to buy all we can, because this type of company, I like to say we like basketballs, not donuts. Basketballs bounce and go up, donuts fall flat. A company like this will 100% increase your chance of being a millionaire, and you need to own it. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Make sure you are owning companies like APH. Salute.